Well, this semester, students at the University of Alberta were challenged to come up with a sustainable solution for oil containers. 3 months later, one of the 7 teams has been named the winner. 2 of those members join us this morning, Yasmin and Armin. Congratulations to both of you. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
So, Yasmin, tell us about this competition and then your winning project. So go ahead.
So ARMA, the Alberta Management or Recycling Management Authority, devised a competition where we had to find a new end use for 2,000 tons of plastic that were really contaminated with oil.
Okay.
So that involved coming up with a cleaning solution in order to even make the plastic into an end product, and then figuring out what that end product actually is.
Okay, and this took you a long time to get through. So, Armin, can you tell us what inspired your idea to get there?
Yeah, absolutely. We actually first were working on pipes, but then we found a market for IBCs, which are intermediate bulk containers. They're usually used to store and transport like wastewater, chemicals, etc. And we thought that it would be 100% recycled plastic, so it would be a higher profit margin, but also a more sustainable project than pipes.
So how did you go about doing this?
So at first it was a lot of brainstorming, and it was a lot of meetings just talking about all the modes of failure that the plastic could have, because we had to think about the material properties of the plastic, which changed depending on how clean it was and how clean we could get it. So once we got the talking kind of done with, we did a lot of tests. We talked to a lot of professors and used FTIR machines, so Fourier transform spectroscopy machines. And we just did a lot of calculations to see if the plastic could hold up even for the applications we wanted it to be in, and if it was clean enough.
Okay, so that's a lot of smart stuff. For people at home, Armin, what's the broader implication for this technology?
Yeah, absolutely. Like Yasmin mentioned, ARMA gets about 2,000 tons of this plastic, which usually just goes to warehouses or yards, or gets down recycled into something less productive. But our solution essentially allows us to produce a higher profit product, and basically makes these plastic pellets that weren't as valuable way more valuable, and essentially makes our society more sustainable. In fact, right? Like, we're replacing new plastic with recycled plastic, so we're saving the environment essentially.
Okay, so you got this big win in this competition. So what happens next?
Well, hopefully we get to work with ARMA in trying to upscale this solution and doing more tests on the plastic to really get good results and certify that the cleaning process that we picked is good. Maybe we'll tweak it slightly, change the concentrations, but overall we just need to upscale it and talk to ARMA about it.
Okay, so Armin, you're finishing up. You're in your 4th year of your semester ends next year. Do you plan on pursuing this once you're done university as well?
Yes, absolutely. I plan on doing this, but I think what motivates me more is that we were able to turn something with our engineering background that isn't as useful into something really useful. So I think this motivates me to work on projects like this in the future, using my engineering background to make things more valuable that helps the environment as well.
Okay, so Yasmin, you're in your 2nd year.
Yes.
Already a pretty high bar. You think you can cross this by the time you get to your 5th year?
It'll be really hard, but I hope so. I mean, ARMA's hosting the competition again next year, so hopefully we can win again and maybe come up with something even more innovative this time.
That's how innovation works, right? You build on the footprints that you already have there. Congratulations to both of you. As we talk about all the time on this show, a lot of smart stuff happening at universities in this city. Congratulations again on the big win.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.